Can I be really honest? In almost 20 years of auditioning, I still get nervous. But the only thing that helps me is feeling super prepared. I'm Jen Benkert, they, them, and I will be your teacher for the audition lab with the Coterie Theatre. You may have seen me on stage at the Coterie recently, or on a school tour with Starlight, or a lot of other professional theaters around Kansas City. And auditioning is one of the constants. It's also a constant learning process. But my goal is to give you as many tools as possible so you can feel successful in every audition room. We're going to work on resumes, pantomime, virtual auditions, and most importantly, preparing your very own audition monologue. This and much, much more will culminate in your very own real-life Coterie audition. Audition Lab was my very first opportunity to audition for the Coterie when I was a teenager. I am absolutely thrilled and honored that I get to be a part of your audition lab. Thanks. See you soon.